Okay, let's discuss one more question. So in this question we have to find the length of diagonal ABCD, and it is given that all the sides are equal to each other. So when all the sides are equal to each other, okay, it is given, that means ABCD is a rhombus. So we will use the properties of rhombus to find the value of the diagonals of AC and BD. Let this point of intersection is equals to O. Now one more property that we know. So if you see in triangle OAB, what we know? Angle AOB is equals to 90 degree. And reason behind this is diagonals are perpendicular bisector. Okay. So in case of rhombus, diagonals are perpendicular bisector. That means this angle is equals to 90 degree. Then what also we know? Angle OAB is equals to half of angle A. Why? Because diagonals are internal angle bisector also. Okay, so two properties of rhombus we have used. First is diagonals are perpendicular bisector, so this angle becomes 90 degree, and this angle is 60, so it is angle equals to, this angle becomes 30 degree. That is half of 60, or it is equals to 30 degree. So now triangle AOB becomes our perfect right angle triangle. Now in this we will find the values of the sides. So if I take sine of 30 degree, it is P upon H. So for this 30 degree, OB will be our perpendicular, and what is hypotenuse? 60. Why? Because it is 90 degree and the side in front of the 60 is known as the hypotenuse. So it is 60 degree. So what is sine 30 degree? Sine 30 degree is 1 by 2 OB upon 60. So you will get OB is equals to 60 by 2 or 30 centimeter. So since OB is 30 centimeter, so we can say that what is BD? BD is 2 into OB. That is 2 into 30 or 60 centimeter. Okay. So what is the value of BD? BD will be 60 centimeter. Similarly, for this side OC, OA, either you can use the Pythagoras theorem or you can use the value of cos. So I am using cos 30 degree. Cos 30 degree will give me OA upon AB. Cos 30 is root 3 by 2. OA upon AB is 60. So what is OA? 60 root 3 upon 2, that is 30 root 3. So like BD was 2 into OB, because of this reason diagonals are perpendicular bisector. So AC is also 2 into OA. So AC is 2 into 30 root 3, that is 60 root 3 centimeter. Okay. So like this you can find the value of the unknown diagonals by using the property of rhombus as well as using the property of right angle triangles and the standard angles of trigonometric ratio. So in the figures questions of rectangle, rhombus or square, you just need to know the properties of the respective figures.